Yeah, good morning. Today we have celebrated summer camp celebrations here in the CLAP school. This is our second branch, and we have about 62 children attended for summer camp, and everybody has enjoyed. A lot of activities were there: dancing, singing, karate, skating, and all activities has been performed with the students and accompanied by the parents. And parents also enjoying a lot in this hot summer. We end up the summer camp here, and we appreciate all the parents who has visited today and be a company with us for the great success. Yes. School will reopen on June 15th, and we will be starting our regular classes, activities, programs, and most we will be looking at admissions by end of this June, and 15th we will start the academic as usual. Every year we celebrate the summer camp with a lot of energy, and we have a student from different schools, different organizations, different cultures. They unite together, and there's an age gap, the 1.5 year kid to the 6.5 years kid. And the summer camp is a base where everybody will share their knowledge and information and activities, and the children will love to implement the next age children, whatever they will be doing over here. Summer camps, in hot summer, somebody want to go to the grandparents. Nowadays, we don't have that kind of education, the family values over here. So we want children to be there, and they spend a valuable time in the campus and with a lot of activities, and we have a greenery, everything. They will be taken care of the summer. In the hot summer, they will be placed in AC classrooms. They placed in activities under the indoor games. There at the home, they will be watching the TVs and directed with the comics and all those things. So we will have a physical activities as well as a learning problem over here. That's a major concern about the school. Response was huge. You have seen, and a lot of parents were happy, and children were doing great today, and we enjoyed with the children. We love to be with the children always. That's our main motive. Thank you so much.